Today I'm at my newest listing, 2752 Easton Road in Hellertown. Let's go check it out. As soon as you enter the home, you have a grand entry with vaulted ceilings and beautiful staircase. Inside to the left is a great room that I could see as a home office with beautiful wood floors and large closet. Continuing through the first floor, you have a very large living room, over to your dining room and kitchen. First floor bathroom. And first floor bedroom that could make for a great primary bedroom if you want everything on the first floor. Now let's head upstairs where there's 3 more bedrooms, a half bath, and a beautiful balcony off the 1 bedroom. Downstairs is this hidden gem of a room with a beautiful stone fireplace and built-ins, bay window. And then continuing through, you have unfinished space with another shower and toilet, laundry, and access out to a patio to enjoy over 7 acres of land. Another fantastic feature to this home is this enormous 2-car garage with extra storage up top and a whole lower level. Check it out.